Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I'm reviewing another great tonneau cover from Rixxu, and this is their Tri-Fold Hard Tonneau cover. So go ahead and stick around because we're going to take a look at every single detail of it. And by doing so, hopefully you can determine if maybe this tonneau cover will be the perfect fit for you and your truck. Now, some of you may be watching this video and are thinking, Rixxu, I've never heard of them. Well, that's completely understandable because up until recently, Rixxu has focused their efforts on manufacturing only seat covers and sunshades, but they decided to go ahead and enter the tonneau cover market to offer quality tonneau covers at an affordable price. Now, Rixxu has three different models of tonneau covers in their lineup: a soft roll-up, a soft tri-fold, and this, their top-of-the-line hard tri-fold cover. Now, one of the main reasons that anyone decides to purchase a tonneau cover for their truck is to keep the cargo in their bed safe and dry, and this Rixxu tonneau cover does just that. This tri-fold hard tonneau cover sits right on top of your bed rails and uses durable, thick weather stripping to ensure a watertight seal. But even though it sits on top of the rails and not in between them, I personally think that this tonneau cover still offers a nice, smooth, and sleek appearance. Now, speaking of which, having a tonneau cover on your truck can also help increase your miles per gallon, and that's really just a nice bonus for what's already a very useful accessory. Now, another area this cover really excels in is security. So as long as your locking tailgate is locked, there's no way to open the tonneau cover, and you can be completely confident that no one is getting to the cargo inside of your bed. At this point, let's take a closer look at this cover's materials and its construction. Now, because this is a hard cover, don't expect to see your traditional vinyl. Now, compared to a roll-up, there are two big advantages with a hard tri-fold cover. One are greater security because you can't slash your way in, and at load capacity as well, as these panels can bear more weight than vinyl. Now, Rixxu uses a durable metal frame with three individual aluminum panels in the center to keep them strong but also lightweight. And to ensure this cover can handle the elements no matter where you live, Rixxu also coats each panel in durable textured black powder coat. Now, to make sure this cover stays firmly attached to your truck, Rixxu also uses individual hand tension clamps for each panel, and that secures this cover tight to the bed rails. Okay, we're now at the point in the video where I usually talk about the actual installation, but for this tonneau cover, there really isn't much to talk about. Now, Rixxu's Tri-Fold Hard Tonneau cover literally takes minutes to install. Once you pull out of the box, it's already fully assembled. Just simply place it on top of your bed rails, fold out each panel at a time, and using the hand tension clamps, you go ahead and secure it to the side rails, and that's it. This cover is also just as easy to use as it is to install it. Just drop your tailgate and loosen the hand tension clamps for the panels that you want to fold. It can either be just one panel, or you can fold them all up and secure it down with the attached buckles. It all simply depends on how much of the bed space that you need exposed. Well guys, that's going to wrap up today's review of Rixxu's Tri-Fold Hard Tonneau cover. So if you're looking for a hard folding tonneau cover to keep your bed and your cargo protected, but one that also won't break the bank, head over to CarID.com to check out this cover and all of the rest of the great tonneau covers in Rixxu's lineup. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time in the garage.